Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna talk about whether the TubeBuddy Chrome extension is safe to use and whether you are okay to install it on your Google Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge browser. Alright, so I'm gonna share with you 3 reasons why I think TubeBuddy is absolutely safe to use. So the first one is that I've been using it for quite a while. It's a very helpful software that I can use to optimize my YouTube videos, run A/B tests. I have tutorials on my channel that show you how to use it, and I haven't had any problems so far, so there's nothing to be really worried about. The second reason is that if you open up the TubeBuddy Chrome extension in Chrome Web Store, so when you want to install TubeBuddy on your web browser, you can see that they have over 8,000 reviews and the average rating is more than 4 stars. I think it's 4.5 stars, which shows that most people are quite happy with it. As Google Chrome says here, they are created by the owner of the listed website. The publisher has a good record with no history of violations. And there are over 1 million users who are currently using TubeBuddy on their Google Chrome browser, so it shows that there's an issue for most of the people. Right, a lot of people are worried when they need to add their YouTube channel to TubeBuddy, and Google Chrome will show this window here that tells you that TubeBuddy might be able to permanently delete your YouTube videos, rating, comments and captions. But of course this just means that they will have access to your YouTube channel. But that of course doesn't mean that TubeBuddy will delete your YouTube content or your YouTube videos, so you don't really have to worry about this. And also they share that they don't sell your data to third parties and they don't delete your YouTube video content. In terms of payment, as you can see, TubeBuddy uses Braintree for processing payments of TubeBuddy subscriptions. And what's more is that if you want to try out their premium plans, I have a 30-day free trial in the description below that you can use and try out their premium features for 30 days for free. So with this, if you do not like the software, you can just cancel this premium subscription and still try out all their features without paying anything for it. So all in all, I think TubeBuddy is a great YouTube analytics, SEO and optimization software that you can use, and you don't have to worry about any safety concerns you have. So try it out, and if you don't like it, you can just uninstall it anytime and cancel your TubeBuddy subscriptions.